So bathe again, here and now, in the coherence that you are. And the subtle bodied breath is how nature interbreathes with you. The subtle bodied breath interbreathing as one coherent frequency with you. Breathing with our whole being. Inviting in the subtle body fully, inseparable from the body. Feeling held by the coherent light of the simplicity of that template you came here with. The template that manifested your physical body and is alive and well here and now. Interbreathing with all of nature. And visualize all beings rediscovering their true subtle-bodied coherence. Returning back, coherencing as one song of love here and now. Coherencing. Rediscovering and remembering. Visualize and feel all beings. Rediscovering this subtle, coherent energy body that they are. Relaxing into a coherence of who they are. Returning and coherencing as one song of love. Here and now. Oh, hear and sing. Oh, here and now, and sing. Here and now is the wind. Oh, hear and sing. Oh, hear now and sing. Here and now is the wind. Oh, hear and sing. Oh, hear now and sing. The here and now is the wind. So here and now, we interbreathe with all of nature. And where does one breath begin and another end? And this co-flowing of coherency. So feel your whole subtle bodied being breathing, interbreathing as one flow now. And the power of this coherent flow, singing out one song of love that's stirring within all beings, stirring them awake to their coherent nature, their subtle body